social media or education? Which one is important for you? Let me know in the comment before you watch this video completely. Okay. Hello everyone, this is Mr. Surendra. Once again, I'm here with a new topic. This topic is going to be a little bit controversial, and it's been a controversial topic for a long time on social media. I have heard from many people, and I watched some videos that they are talking about. Most of the people, they choose the side of social media, and very small number of people, they choose the side of education. Okay, so what is most important thing, we will know about this in this video, and I'm going to clear all your doubts regarding this topic. Okay, as we know that we are in the 21st century, and we are the part of this century, and this is the AI generation, so social media is very much important. But without education, social media is nothing. So we all should know that what is the real thing, what is the real difference, and what is the most important thing in this 21st century. So if you really want to know, then stay tuned in this video. So before moving towards our topic, did you choose that what is the most important thing? Okay, then be with what you have chosen. Okay, so let's get started. Let's talk about first of all social media. So as we have all have entered a very new century, 21st, and this generation is called as a AI generation, or you can say a generation where machine and many things are manufactured in this 21st century, and this is a kind of changing generation. Okay, so, and that is why in this 21st century we must know how to use the social media. By the help of social media, many people earn. Okay, the social media became the tool of earning. Okay, from the day people have come to know that social media is paying them, they have started uploading the video, and they have started earning from the social media. And definitely it has removed the financial problem of many people. Okay, not just only the few people, but many people have stable their life and started earning money, or started earning a handsome salary, you can say. So that is why social media is very much important for the people of 21st century, for the student of 21st century, and for the everyone. Okay, so that is why everybody has jumped into the social media, and they are showing their skill, whatever they have, and they are earning the money. Okay, by the help of that, they are expanding their business, they are advertising their business, and they are earning more profit than any other jobs. So that is why social media is now in trending, and of course it is. And the way AI is working, okay, we must know about the things, otherwise we will be eliminated from our jobs. Okay, so never miss these kinds of opportunities of learning the AI tools and about knowing the social media. Okay, so this is the thing that we will get from the social media, and these are the things we know about the social media. Okay, and if I talk about the education, then we all know very well that education is the part of our life. Without education, we are like an animal. Okay, without education, your brain will not work, it will start working in a negative way. Okay, so that is why education is very much important. When we are educated, we started pointing out that what is the positive things and what is the negative thing, and we always take the side of positive things, because negative things is not going to work in our life. Okay, that will ruin our life. So that is why education is very much important. And in this world, like, there are many educated person. Okay, they have also like stable their life by the help of education. The education they have, by the help of that, they are earning money, and they have stable their life, they are getting the jobs, they have got the like permanent job, some of they, and they are earning by sitting in a office or in a company. Okay, and there are many things, like there are many educated person in the world, they are so happy and content with their knowledge, with their power of knowledge, and we know that without education there is nothing is possible. Nothing, even a single thing is not possible without education. So this is the power of education. So never underestimate the power of education. Okay, education is the thing which creates the another skills. Okay, without education there is no skill, nothing, no improvement, no development, nothing. So that is why education is also very much important in this 21st century. Okay, now let's come to the conclusion. What is the consequence? Okay, so many people would choose the social media and a small number of people will choose the education. Okay, but I am a neutral person. I am going to choose both of them. Why? Do you know? Let me first tell you what is the difference. Do you know the social media when it is built? Maybe a few years back, a few years ago. But do you know education? It is originated from the very beginning of the ancient people. Okay, the social media is originated from the education. The education is not originated from the social media. The apps you are using, the social media platform that you are using, that is built by a educated person, not by a illiterate person or not by a social creator. Okay, so never ever underestimate or never ever humiliate the education. Never ever think that education is nothing in this world. Education is everything. Okay, like you might have heard the name of most powerful and most richest person in the world, Elon Musk. Who is that guy? Is he a content creator? No, he is an educated person and he has built a lot of companies. By the help of that he became the trillionaire in this 21st century. So imagine how much power it has. Okay, and I would as I am a neutral person, I will never take any one side. I will take the both sides. So that is why I also use the social media that I am using to making the videos and to upload the videos, and you are getting these kinds of knowledge through the social media. So social media is a tool to sharing the thoughts and to doing the meetings from a very long distance. Okay, like I am here and I can talk to the people of America, I can talk to the people of any corner of the world. Okay, I don't have any kinds of problem if I have the social media. Okay, so if I am educated and I am showcasing my skills in the social media, then people will be able to know of any corner of the world. Okay, they will have no problem to come to me and to learn the things that I have. Okay, there is this problem has been removed by the help of social media. So that is why I love to emerge and combine social media and education both, because these are the part and parcel of each other. Now these are become the part and parcel of each other, so we cannot separate them. Okay, like now the most famous teachers or educator, they are on social media. Do you know why? Because they know that the knowledge they have, having the knowledge is not everything. Okay, they will have to teach the people. So for that they are coming into the social media and they are making the videos. Okay, so that they can reach more and more people, they can grow their audience and they will be able to earn the money. Okay, so the both things are very much important. So through this video I hope you are clear what is most important. Okay, I think both are most important thing. Okay, so if you will fall in this kinds of dilemma or this kinds of controversy, then never ever hesitate or never ever rush to take any one side. Just use your idea, use your mind and try to choose the right path. Okay, so be neutral, then you will conquer the world. So with this word I would like to stop, and if you have learned something from my video, then try to share it to the person who is in this kinds of situation. Thank you for watching.